Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now jumping straight into the MQL5 Marketplace page, what I am looking at here is the famous EA developed by Ugochukwu Mobi. The listing shows a price of 5,000 US dollars and version 1.0 with 5 activations, which already tells me this is positioned as a premium expert advisor for serious traders. Now, from what I can see here, the platform details are not explicitly highlighted on the section I am viewing. So I'll focus purely on what is presented in the EA description and performance metrics. All right. Meanwhile, the famous EA obviously is available for MT5, but it doesn't seem to be available for MetaTrader 4. Moving into the overview, famous EA is described as a fully automated trading system built around price action, trendline dynamics, and a proprietary filter algorithm. The idea here is that it tries to combine structure-based trading with a filtering system to avoid low-quality setups and reduce unnecessary trades. As I scroll through the strategy breakdown, it mentions custom non-repenting indicator logic, dynamic support and resistance detection, and multi-time frame price action analysis. So essentially, it is designed to read market structure across different conditions and only react when when its internal filters align. Now, there is also mention of noise filtering, which is aimed at avoiding choppy or unstable market conditions, and it is fully automated with no manual execution required. Now, moving into the features section, I can see it includes flexible risk settings, optional smart news filtering, and advanced trade management like trailing stop and break-even logic. It also clearly states there is no martingale, no grid, and no hedging, which suggests a more structured algorithmic approach. All right. So now, shifting into the historical performance section, the verified results show a starting deposit of $1,000 growing to over $72,000 in profit based on what we can see written here. So that shows a total growth of around 6,000% plus. It also shows 577 total trades with an approximate 86.8% win rate and a relatively controlled drawdown around 8 to 11% range depending on measurement type. Let's just also look at the provided images here about the profitability of the EA. So we can see over 278 weeks, the EA seems to have made over 8,000% since 2020. And from the strategy tester, we can see here initial deposit $1,000. Expert is famous EA, symbol is XAUJPY, period is H1 from 2021, 1st January to 2025, 29th August. Total net profit over $10 million. Total trades 1,300. All long trades with a 96.54% win rate. Average profit was 8,315.01, while average loss was 7,290.45. Largest profit was 213,677.2, while the largest loss was 41,780.15. So this tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is okay. and the win rate is also excellent. But let's just head over to our strategy tester right away, testing the famous EA on USD JPY on the H1 time frame over the past 5 months using recent market data in 2026, right? So we're testing from the beginning of this year till date. And as for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server. We are using every tick modeling. Looking at the results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was 12,456.8. The total trades taken were 31. There were no short trades, only long trades, with an 83.87% win rate. Largest profit was 1,765.6. Largest loss was 714.63. Average profit 565.88. Average loss 451.21. Okay, so this also shows that the risk to reward ratio is not really good enough, but at least the average profit is bigger than the average loss. All right, and when you put that side by side with such a nice win rate, it's not surprising to see a total net profit of about 12.45, or rather 12.46% over the space of 5 months. So now, when I look at the chart activity, it reflects a long-term structured trading style with extended holding periods. All right. And this suggests that this is not a scalping system, but more of a swing or position-based approach. So from a testing perspective, this is historical performance data. So I would still recommend running longer term tests yourself to see how it behaves across different market cycles and conditions, especially under your own broker settings. Overall, the results look structured and consistent based on historical data, but like any EA, performance will always depend on risk settings, execution, spread conditions, and how it is optimized by the user. So, in conclusion, famous EA presents itself as a long-term algorithmic system focused on structured entries and filtered trading conditions. And it is definitely something that you would want to evaluate carefully through your own testing before any live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.